Music that many of us love, and we can do it wherever we are. We'll just change a little bit because that dance is such a reaching out dance where we're connected, all right? And we're going to try it in different ways. So we're going to go take one hand, and you can use your donut hand. That's all right. All right? So you can use one hand or two hands. You can use your coffee hand also.
Not a coffee.
It's going to be a reach out, all right? So you're going to reach, reach, reach,
ยาเต
and reach, 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 heart. Reach, 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 heart. And you see that step I'm also doing it if you want to step it, you can. And I'm going to step and
ไว้
reach
เอ็กซ์ไซ
out
ส์
to
ก็เลยจะไว้เอ็กซ์ไซส์
Alfreda. Alfreda and I have been dancing this whole time.
เราแจกโลกสลบกับเรานะ
Alfreda beautiful because the music is alive and it has been giving us this way to meet each other, hasn't it? And we don't know each other from before. You sure miss it, right? But the dance, how does the dance make you feel?
Wonderful, great. It's like, get with it.
Well, I'm so happy you came, and I'm so happy we have this music to connect us. So here we're going to go reach, 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 heart. Reach, 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 heart. Reach, 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 heart. And so we got it. So I'm going to encourage you to maybe reach across to someone, catch their eye, and reach it out to them, or if it's your neighbor, reach it out to them, or if you feel like getting up and reaching out to someone else, please feel welcome to do so. All right, this is how we do tango in a different way.
Hit it.
Ooh, this music gets some soul. So how before we start, get a little rock, just a little bit, feel it.